Alright guys, today I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. I got some, these are on sale, okay? So, these pork loins were on sale, so I got them on sale. I got this, chickpeas, corn, some tomatoes. I'm going to cook it in my Instant Pot, and then I'll do a quick taste test. I'm going to season it with some herbs, with an onion. I got an onion here. I'm going to saute it, with an onion, and then cook it all up, okay? So stay tuned guys, I'll be right back, and show you the end results and do a quick taste test. So you can see the onions all chopped up. I put up one whole onion in there. I'm going to put in some pepper, some garlic salt, some celery salt, and then a little bit of cumin, and that'll go well. I'll be right back guys. Alright guys, so it is ready to go into the Instant Pot. I'm going to be hitting the meat button, and then I'll wait for that to come in, and then I'll do a quick taste test, so stay tuned guys. Alright guys, check out the finished product. This is it. Let's do a quick taste test. Here's some chickpeas. It's actually quite good. Super soft. You get the flavor of the broth in there, and it is hot. It's you know it's pressure cooked, so basically all the flavor melds right in there, and makes for a great stew. Definitely check out guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.